Hey everybody, it's Gus with Egypt Adventures Travel. I am in Cairo outside of the Valencia Hotel where I just spent 2 nights staying. It's a great budget option for travelers who want to be in the heart of downtown Cairo, but who still want a hotel that is affordable, that is quality, and provides good service. Let's head inside and check it out. Here is the reception area at the Valencia Hotel. There's somebody staffed at reception 24 hours a day. There's always somebody sitting at the front desk. There's my bag right there. They allow you to leave your bag if you are catching a flight or checking into a hotel later in the day but need to check out of your room. And down the hallway, you see all of these different rooms that they've got here. The room that I stayed at is this open door in the corner right here, and I'll show you what it looked like when I checked in. Everything in here is pretty basic, but when you have a budget hotel, that's what you can expect, and everything is really clean and well maintained. Here's my bathroom. And I've got a desk and mirror, TV, futon, fridge, an electric kettle, and a wardrobe, my place to sleep, and I even have a balcony. You might notice it's a little bit loud outside. I'm gonna see what it's like when I try to sleep tonight. I love balconies downtown because there's always something going on the street below. One of the best parts about the Valencia Hotel is the location. It's located right next to El Abd Patisserie, which, watch out, can get a little dangerous if you like cake as much as I do. And it's in downtown Cairo, really close to Tahrir Square, about a 12-minute walk away from Tahrir Square, the Metro, and the Egyptian Museum. I'm standing on one of the balconies outside of the breakfast area at this hotel, and this is the view. It's smack dab in the middle of downtown, so it can get a little bit noisy. If having a super quiet hotel room is what you're looking for, this might not be the best option for you, but it's awesome to be right in the middle of all of the action going on in Cairo. And this area is being cleaned right now. This hotel is really clean and was super well maintained during my stay. This is the area where you can have breakfast. They also serve meals at fixed prices with a menu in your room, and you can have coffee and tea and water and drinks at any time. Another important thing to note about the Valencia Hotel is that it's in a building with an elevator, but you have to go up a short flight of stairs in order to get to the elevator. Now I'm out on the street outside the Valencia Hotel's building. I love all of the signage that they have with this hotel, so it's really easy to find. I hope that you can experience the hospitality, the cleanliness, and the quality that they provide at the Valencia at a really affordable price when you come to Egypt on your own Egypt adventure. I'm Gus with Egypt Adventures Travel. Thanks for watching. Check us out on Instagram or Facebook at Egypt Adventures Travel, or go to www.egyptadventurestravel.com.